Hello friends, long form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. PVC flooring offers several advantages over traditional tile and stone flooring options. It is cost effective, easy to install and requires low maintenance. Please note, PVC flooring is not recommended for use in wet areas such as bathrooms, toilets and kitchens, as well as in external spaces exposed to direct sunlight. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the amount of PVC flooring required for a 10 feet by 12 feet room. So let us get started. Step 1. Measure the floor area. 10 feet into 12 feet is equal to 120 square feet. Step 2. Material cost. PVC flooring is available in sheet, tile and plank forms. PVC flooring thickness ranges from 1.5 mm to 6 mm. We will consider PVC flooring in the form of flexible sheet rolls with a width of 6 feet. Its rate starts from 15 rupees per square feet and it can go up to 150 rupees per square feet. Consider the rate of 20 rupees per square feet for our calculation. So our material cost is equal to 120 into 20 is equal to 2400 rupees. Now add wastage of 5% for overlapping and cutting. 2400 into 5% is equal to 120 rupees. Add tool stackles, shifting and other miscellaneous expenses, say 100 rupees. So total amount shall be 2400 plus 120 plus 100 is equal to 2620 rupees. Step 3. Estimate adhesive cost. We will consider Pidilite Fevicol SR505 for jointing PVC flooring. Its consumption is 90 square feet per liter. You can get its datasheet on Google for its consumption details. Means in 1 liter of Fevicol SR505, you can install 90 square feet of PVC flooring. The rate of 1 liter of Fevicol SR505 is 450 rupees. So the rate of adhesive for installing 1 square feet of flooring shall be 450 divided by 90 is equal to 5 rupees. So for installing 120 square feet of flooring, 120 into 5 is equal to 600 rupees shall be required. Step 3. Labor cost. The labor rate for fixing PVC flooring is between 5 rupees to 7 rupees per square feet depending on your location. Let us consider labor rate of 5 rupees per square feet. So the total cost of labor is equal to total flooring area into labor rate per square feet. 120 into 5 is equal to 600 rupees. Step 4. Calculate the total cost. Now add material, adhesive and labor cost. That is 2620 plus 600 plus 600 is equal to 3820 rupees. Now add 15% overhead and profit in this amount, that is 3820 into 15% is equal to 573 rupees. So total amount required for PVC flooring of 10 feet by 12 feet area shall be 3820 plus 573 is equal to 4393 rupees. So the per square feet rate for PVC flooring shall be 4393 divided by 120 is equal to 37 rupees. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.